Hey, I'm Zach McDonald, your real estate agent with Real Property Associates, and we're going to continue in our series today on questions that every home buyer should ask. We've got with me Dan Keller, branch manager, loan officer with Guild Mortgage, one of the best lenders in the Seattle area, and he's going to answer our mortgage question. So, Dan, today's question is, how can you get the best interest rate?
Great question. I don't know if we have enough time, and I don't know if we can add some graphics to this video. I wrote not only a blog post about this, but in my concierge packet, there are 38 ways or 38 factors that actually impact your interest rate. So I would start with identifying those factors. 3 or 4 of those factors are going to be based on your credit score. The others, the type of property. So, for example, if you're buying a condo versus a single family home, the interest rate for financing a condominium is slightly higher than a single family home. Mm-hmm. The interest rate for financing a second home or an investment home is higher than an owner-occupied purchase. So one, credit score. Credit score is going to have a big impact. The type of property purchased is going to have a big impact. Down payment has an impact on your interest rate, and again, different types of loan programs will all. I hear this all the time from clients. They're like, "Hey, my friend, got a 4.125 rate on their mortgage on their 30-year fix," and I'm like, "Well, how much money did they put down? What were their credit scores?" And there's so many factors, but if you ace kind of your credit score, your down payment, you fit into the top percentile of those. With all things type of property, owner-occupied, non-condo, if you take into consideration all of those and you compare those across the board with different banks and credit unions, in today's market where margins now at lending institutions and banks and credit unions have been scrunched, there's just not a lot of profit like there were years back in mortgages. You're going to find that across the board, within 1/8 of a percentage point and within a few $100s in closing costs, you're going to find the best and the worst. And if you find something outside of that, I'd be careful. It's most likely an ad.
Thanks again for tuning in, and thanks again for coming on and
Yep.
giving us some of your time. If you guys like Dan and you want to subscribe to his channel, we'll link it up down below. You can also find him by searching Dan Keller in YouTube. And again, of course, if you like these videos and you want to see
Yep.
more like this, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thanks for watching.